Kevin Lacey here at Bo Lacey Construction. We're on another project here. We got Dean. And Dean, why don't you kind of walk us through what we're doing here?
This is a small basement finish job. This was one big open room. Then there was another, I'm assuming kind of bedroom over here. The customer wanted it wide open, so we took out a couple walls, framed up some new walls on the outside so that we could get our electric and insulation in, and we're just about ready for drywall.
Okay. So it looks like this was it's got nice high ceilings in here, something
Standard ceiling for a basement. Yeah.
Right. So some questions that we're running into, we get a lot of calls about room additions. Now, Dean, correct me if I'm wrong, but a basement refinish is going to be a lot more affordable than a room addition, right?
Correct. There's no excavation, there's no block work, there's no paperwork, a lot more paperwork. You gotta get plans drawn up, that kind of thing.
Right.
This we can just basically come in, take out what you don't want anymore, and start putting it back together.
Right. So as long as your basement has a semi-tall ceiling, right? Maybe 7.5 feet.
Yeah. These walls. This is actually 7 feet right here.
It's 7 feet right here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you can also add bathrooms in basements. You can.
Sure can.
Okay.
Yep. As long, depending on what the budget is, if there's no plumbing whatsoever, then of course we're cutting up some concrete, running some pipe, putting in a pit to pump it up into the sewer.
Right.
So it just depends on if it's on a sewer, you know, where the sewer goes out of the house, or if it's on a septic system, how high the septic is. But yeah, I haven't come across a job yet where we couldn't get a bathroom in a basement for somebody.
Okay, awesome. So just some things that we're looking at around here. So it looks like, well, what are some things that we want to look at for when you're remodeling a basement?
You definitely want to go with the pressure treated lumber on the concrete. Anywhere that lumber touches concrete, it should be treated, because the concrete will actually suck the moisture out of the lumber. And the regular stuff, it takes about a year, maybe a year and a half for it to dry rot.
Gotcha.
And start falling
So you're
apart.
talking about the pressure treat we see down
yep,
here?
on the bottom plate.
Around the bottom there? Okay.
Whenever possible, you want to go with a full, it might be kind of hard to see, but these are full 2x4 walls. Some guys will come in and just turn these sideways and put them right to the block. It makes the electrical a lot harder, and if you want to do anything with your heat runs or whatever, it makes for a harder job.
Right.
So we try to do the full walls whenever possible.
So you can run your electrical and you can get
Yeah,
more
just like a
insulation,
regular
right?
house. Yep.
So
Yep.
that's a regular